Hi, I'm Enchanting Nubia Net. Welcome back. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Today I'm going to talk about a groundbreaking, very positive news story. A man with ALS, he has the ability now to speak and to sing again, thanks to a brain computer implant. Casey Harrell, a 47-year-old climate activist, lost his ability to speak clearly due to ALS. But then, in a major medical breakthrough, UC Davis researchers implanted 256 microelectrodes into his speech motor cortex. So now an AI model translates his brain signals into real-time synthetic speech, and it actually, everyone, mimics his original voice. Along with that, it has his emotions, his pitch, annotations. Remarkably, he can even sing in short melodies now. That is such a miracle. And the system responds within about 25 milliseconds, which makes his voice sound very natural. When he's having a conversation, there's a natural flow. So I'm going to talk about some more benefits of this implant surgery. The interface decodes brain activity into sound units, which are the phonemes, and uses AI to generate speech. So even when he pauses, when he emphasizes, even not even word, just his expressions. Okay, this comes to life, his tones. And after the initial training, Mr. Casey achieved 97% word accuracy, and he even sustained communication over long sessions. So his fluidity is very natural, and he can have many back and forth exchanges with people. So this microchip was installed um, July 2023, so he uses it daily when speaking with his family and friends, making Zoom calls, when he's sending emails, and even doing his career work in climate activism. So he's well-rounded again. He's able to do all of the responsibilities that he had previously and to do so independently, which is phenomenal. The reason this matters is because this isn't about restoring words. It brings back his authentic personality, his natural rhythm, and it does have a real world impact. So now that it has been successful for him, Mr. Casey, more people can be assured and be hopeful that they can actually get the medical help needed as well, so they can live independently and thrive in life. So unlike previous systems limited to labs, where he doesn't have to be in the lab for so many hours, Mr. Casey is able to work from home and is actually even run by his wife, so he can be more independent, and is a huge leap toward everyday and even practical duties. So again, this is a breakthrough, and many people who have paralysis or any neural degenerative conditions, they can actually have this surgery as well. So I'm sure many of you know that there are companies such as Neuralink and Precision Neuroscience, and they're really pushing the boundaries of what these implants can do. If you haven't heard of them, you need to really research it, because they're doing huge mega things for the life of people. Their devices aim to restore movement, people's vision, and speech, as we know, and to even help them to manage psychiatric conditions. And we know that unfortunately, because there's so much stress, there's so much inflation, there's job cuts, mental illness is on the rise. So many people who have conditions such as depression, OCD, these people can receive an implant if they want in order to help their lives, in order to normalize their livelihood and help them to be independent. These implants that's used, they're very, very thin, ultra thin electrodes, and they help to record and stimulate the brain activity in a fine scale. And it definitely allows for the people to be very precise and to have very natural interactions with others so that you wouldn't even know this person has the microchip. So at this time, these technologies, they are being studied and they are being tested in various clinical trials throughout the United States. And many patients are regaining the abilities that they thought were long gone. And this is so superb. So I'm not sure how to get into the clinical trials. I know that you need to be screened. You would have to make sure that you're an individual who has these um, disorders or these health ailments. And of course, it has to be approved by your doctor as well. But it's a definitely huge step in the right direction that can help so many people here in the United States and even all over the world. So, who would ever think that a person who has such a debilitating illness would be able to live their life as how they were before? This is so phenomenal. So, everyone, please spread the word. And if you meet any of these qualifications, research to find the clinical trials as well. And again, this huge major procedure can cause someone to have speech restoration, mobility, and help their mental health. So, thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And please stay safe wherever you are.